Video 2 is entitled Explaining Behavior and Theories of Behavior. First, we have to identify and be able to define what behavior is. So behavior is defined as, first, an organism's activities in response to external or internal stimuli, including objectively observable activities, introspectively observable activities, and I've got a learning video on the difference between covert and overt behavior for you to view, and non-conscious processes. Second, more restrictively, any action or function that can be objectively observed or measured in response to controlled stimuli. Historically, behaviorists contrast objective behavior with mental activities, which were considered subjective and thus unsuitable for scientific study. And I do have a learning video lecture for you in regards to the foundations of behaviorism. Now, this module learning objectives are as follows. A. Define human behavior and the historical foundations of behaviorism. B. Recognize influences in human behavior. And C. Compare various theories of behavior.